My body's cold, your body's dumb, and it's unraveling with time as we move on, as we fall forward. It's crying. The shame in us is not the same. I don't understand your gain from this. It's killing me. No friends are here to save me. Guess I never really had any. I'm falling, please come save me. Rescue me from what I think might be the end of everything I love. The end of hate, the end of heart and blood. What am I supposed to do? The blood in my veins going blue, and I can't take this away. This is my last days, so please come save me.